Today, we will talk about the position control in KincoServo Pro. As always, we connect the servo drive and ensure the enable signal is not configured near I/O. Next, click Operation Mode to open the position control panel. There are two types of position command sources: manual input and DIN position index. The current position of the motor is shown here. There are two operation modes: absolute positioning and relative positioning. Let's start with manual input mode. When using manual input, DN position index must not be configured in I/O settings. In absolute positioning, set the target position first. If you want the servo to respond immediately when the target value changes, check this option. If unchecked, the servo will only execute the command once when the motor runs. In relative positioning, you need to set the position increment, as well as the running speed, acceleration, and deceleration. Here on the right side, you can view the speed time curve. Let's see how it works. After setting the target position and speed, click Enable, then Run. The motor will move to the target position at the specified speed. Next, let's look at the DIN position index mode. In this mode, the servo's running position is determined by the BCD code formed by three input signals: DIN position index 0, 1, and 2. After setup, you can change the I/O input levels to switch between different position commands. Each position command will run at its corresponding DIN speed. On the right side, you can see multiple position segments and index states, where the green lines indicate the active DIN level and the corresponding position command. On the parameter side, you will also find matching green fields. Now, let's look at the demonstration of absolute position. Set each DIN target position. Then, go to the I/O settings panel and assign DIN 1, 2, 3. After configuration, the chart will refresh automatically. Click Enable to active. Now, when you set DIN 2 high, the motor moves to DIN target position 2 at DIN speed 2. When you set DIN 1 high, the motor moves to DIN target position 3 at DIN speed 3. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.